Hey guys, it's Sean. I'm here today with a BMX video. I got myself some new bars and I'm gonna be taking you guys through my whole every update for my BMX when I get new things and all that. At the moment I have a stock BF1 with a stolen Thermalite glow-in-the-dark seat just because I felt like it. Everything else is stock, but I got some new bars. Okay, let's start to open this. I have been waiting all day for this. Got me some of these crispy. Ooh, I am excited. Kinda hard to do. I hope you guys can hear me okay. I'm on my iPhone. Okay, we got the box open. Oh, 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 look at those. Oh, yeah. Primo, Samsquanch, and Chrome. Oh, yeah. Oh, those are nice. They are clean. Little tiny scratch there, but oh man. 9-inch rise. Here, there's specs on this. 9-inch rise, 28-inch width, 11 degrees backsweep, 2 degrees upsweep. I got the specs on my laptop. Width, backsweep, upsweep, cross bar height 6.375 inches, crossbar width 11.5 inches, and the weight is 29.3 ounces. Oh man, these are sweet. I guess. I can't tell you guys how long I've been waiting for these. Oh, freaking score. Okay, I'm gonna go outside and show you guys my BF1. It's mainly stock, like I said, just the seat is different. Oh, these look so good. Okay. Turn on the light to the shop. Oh, they got a Samsquanch sticker on the back. Okay, so here's my BF1. It's chrome and black, chrome rims, all pretty much just, what do you call it, stock. But yeah, pretty fancy. These bars are $79.99 or something like that. But I've heard a lot of good things about them, and they're pretty much what I need, so. But I'm going to put my grips on them. Let me put them up here, which is the Fit BF grips. And then I'm on iPhone, so I don't know how to do this, but maybe I'll make like another video of my bike with the bars on. But besides that, thanks for watching, and I'll make some more update videos when I get my bike even more upgraded. I should have more stuff by my birthday, April 17th, so. Well, See you guys next time.